So I hope you guys enjoyed that little intro for Cats for Life, or also known as Jacqueline for. I'm sorry, I forget your last name, but I know it. So I'm gonna leave her channel in the description, so don't forget to subscribe to her. And you, Jacqueline, tell me, like, if I should change like the song, or the text, or like any small details that I should add, or change the background, all that stuff. And also feel free to ask me if you want an intro, and I'll possibly give you one. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this intro, and look out for my giveaway, which is in 5 subscribers. Also, look out for my upcoming videos, and also my last video, my last live, are gonna be in the description, and my Instagram too, so you can follow that real quick. So yeah, look out for new videos coming soon. Bye.
I got beans, cream. I got beans, cream.